Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 foot system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 foot system for therapy. For foot treatment, look for the Activ8 controller buttons. These should sit on top of your foot. Slide the device onto your foot until the therapy markers are centered directly over the area you want to treat, whether it's your toes, midfoot, or heel. Adjust the strap until the fit feels secure. Be careful not to over-tighten. It should feel comfortable, not restrictive. Do not walk or stand while wearing the Activ8 foot system. Once your Activ8 system is fitted and in place, you're ready to begin your therapy session. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.